What up? We got something for you. Something that you
need
and want. Lucky Cat.
Lucky Cat.
Lucky Cat can do anything. It can make your day, or it can break someone's day, or their back. But anyways, are you going bald? No hair on your head? Well, why don't you just take Lucky Cat and hold it in your hand for a minute. Rub it around. What the fuck? Motherfucker got higher.
High school. All over again. It's like I never even lost my hair.
Shit.
Need any other reason to buy a Lucky Cat?
Do you need another reason?
Well, we'll give you one.
Makes you strong and have muscles like this. Roar! Makes you break stuff and rip things apart. Makes you want to kill someone.
Snap someone's neck.
Anyways, Lucky Cat. Only thing you'll ever fucking need, man. 4 cats, buy cats. Yeah.
4 cats, bye.